Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Indy. So today I am showing you my lovely and beautiful Christmas snowflake tree. So this beautiful snowflake tree, along with its beautiful ornaments and decorations on it, I purchased it from Amazon. Right? If you're looking for something beautiful for your home or your spa, I would highly recommend this tree. So all these little trimmings and all these little decorations, I purchased them. The link will be below. Check the link in my bio below. You will see everything that I use to decorate my tree. So I have some beautiful ornament balls, right? I purchased these little ribbons also, and I create these beautiful ribbons, by the way. So my spouse and I, we actually do the decoration along with one of my staff, and this is very beautiful. And also this beautiful star, I purchased this. So the link for all these little decoration alongside the tree will be in my link below. You can check it out and go ahead and see all the beautiful things that we have there. So as I said, this tree is available along with the decorations on Amazon. And if you're looking for something beautiful for Christmas, right, to decorate your spa, and if you want it to look something like this, then why not go ahead and check it out. And it would be also something great for your home. It gives you a snowflake winter wonderland feeling, and it's very beautiful. So this is what it looks like, and it fits so well beautiful in my spa, and all my clients love it. All my clients love it, and I'm also planning on getting one for my home. This is very beautiful. So this is what it looks like. All right, so these poinsettia flowers, right? They're basically my favorites on the tree. They're so nice. They are beautiful. It comes with a little pin at the back that you actually use to pin it. So each flower comes with a pin on it. I love the decor. The little decoration is really nice. I love this. So under the bottom we have two set of candles. So these candles, they're fake candles, right? And they're battery operated. So you can turn it on, turn it off, and it's warm light. So it's battery, as I said. You use battery, two batteries. I think this one is AA battery, and the color is black, but once you turn it off, turn it on, it gives you that warm light, and it also looks like brown, but it's really beautiful. And I think I get two set of them. They come in set of two, and you get, alright, so you get two big candles, right? You get two big ones, and you also get, that's two medium ones. So two medium ones come with it, and you also get two small ones. So these are the two small ones, and they're all battery operated. Alright, so the candles, they come with a remote also. So this, alright, so the beauty about this, you can set it a timer as to how long you want the candles to operate for. So it has 2 hours, 4 hours, it goes up to 8 hours, right? And this is what it looks like. Good. And you can off it, on, and the lights, sorry, so on, right? And then these at the bottom, it can actually give you a little dimness to it. So use it, as you can see, it look like a little burning flame. When you can use this, right? Because this is what it looks like. Right, a burning flame. So this is the remote that you use. Also my Christmas star at the top of my Christmas tree, this beautiful glitter star. It is also battery operated. It uses 2 batteries, right? Comes with a little button at the top that you use to turn it on, turn it off. Right, so I kind of put it at the back so it can actually hold it up. Alright, so each ribbon, right, at the tip you have a little wire that makes it easy to bend. So this is why you could get that bow design. So it depends on what you want to create on your Christmas tree, how you want to decorate it. But as I said, these have little bows, little wires in at the edge, so that makes it easy to bend and shape into what you want it to shape in. So this, as I said, is a 3-tier Christmas tree. It has a top, the middle, the bottom, right? It comes with a little stand that used to, this is the little stand, it comes on, right? And this, I think the weight of it is 17.5, the weight, and it's easy to assemble. This tree is easy to assemble, and it might take a little time to fluff. So normally maybe an hour roughly takes to fluff the Christmas tree to get it to that nice fluffiness. But it didn't take us long to decorate it. And this is what it looks like after our decoration. And all of this that we have on the tree, our beautiful ball. I love these green ornament balls. They're really nice. They have different colors. So they're different shape and size, right? So you have small, right? You have small, and you have medium, and you have large, right? And what I forget to tell you is that I also have some little crystals on the tree. These little crystals, I think I have more than 1 crystals on them. So these little crystals on the tree, right? So this, they have different ones in there. So these little crystals, here's one more. They're beautiful, so we just hang them on. And I have 2 sets of warm lights on it, on the Christmas tree. This is warm light for my Christmas tree, and it is really nice. It gives my aesthetic in my spa. The aesthetic is black and beige, and it just fits in really nice with the gold aesthetic. You know, the beautiful ribbons, the beautiful balls. These one are basically glitter balls. I have quite a few of them on there. You have some really nice decoration on it, and all of this you can find it in my link in the description box below, right? If you're looking for a beautiful and affordable Christmas tree for your home or your spa, then you can check out this one. It's really nice. So all these decorations, right, that I have on the tree, I just want to give you a close-up of what they really look like. So alright, this fell off the tree just now, so I'll fix it back. So this bag, this is what the poinsettia comes in, and it comes with a little clip. So this little clip, right, it comes to that little, those little clip in there that you can use to clip it on the Christmas tree. Alright, so the ribbons, you get 6 of them in the box, all different style, right? You get in the box, and they're really nice. So it depends on what, and you really don't have to use them just for your Christmas tree, but you can use it in your house, in your home, for decoration purposes. You know, you can use them to decorate your Christmas boxes if you're doing, you know, for your trees. It depends on what you want to use them for, but it's multi-purpose. But for now, we just use it for the Christmas tree. So these are some of the bows, these bows that we have here. And then we have these big ribbons. So these are the big ribbons. So these are the big ribbons. Right? We didn't use this black one. We purchased it. We did a little decor with it too, but we didn't put it on the tree. So these are the bigger ones, right? These are so just let me show you. It's very long, right? It is very long, very long. As I said, it has some little wires around the side. Makes it easy for you to actually decorate with. You can use it for your Christmas tree. You can use it to make other decorations for your home. right? And it's really long, so you can get a lot of use out of it. This one too, same thing. It's nice, glitter, and looks really nice. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the other decorations that I have just to get used to what they look like. These are some of the green balls ornaments. So these are some small ones, and these are the big ones, right? Some are solid color, while you have some that have little decorations on them. They're really nice. I love this color. I really love this color. It's nice, and it just brings out the decoration on the tree. Fits in really well, right? And that, and then we have these, right? Some nice, and all of them, they come with little string at the tops, right? So you can just hang it on the tree, easy to put on. Alright, so guys, this was a review of my snowflake Christmas tree, my decoration. If you love this look, you can shop it. All the items with the link will be provided in the description box below. As I said, if you love this look for Christmas, you can shop it. And it is really beautiful. I love the setup, I love the decor, the aesthetic, everything, the winter wonderland feeling, right? It's very beautiful. And as I said, you can use it for your home, for your spa. And thank you guys for watching, right? Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you go ahead and get something